Hello everyone, I'm Fuzzy. Following our last episode where we deep dive into the key processes of Hongfa capacitors, this episode we will take you on site to its robust production line, unveiling the complete picture of smart manufacturing. It's not just fully automatic assembly. More crucially, it achieves human-free production across the entire process from assembly to testing. Let's set off now. Step 1, we've arrived at the safety capacitor production line. Safety capacitor line is like a six-sided warrior. From energization, spot welding, assembly to the first epoxy potting, second epoxy potting, and curing. All processes are handled in one continuous flow. This improves product quality while significantly shortening the manufacturing cycle. Step 2. We've arrived at the power electronic capacitor production line. Rows of fully automatic assembly and testing equipment ensure every single product is as standard as if copy-pasted, guaranteeing product consistency and enhanced quality. Look here! This is the process of welding pins to the core. This is a vital step in realizing capacitor functionality, ensuring internal charge can be transferred and exchanged with external circuits stably and efficiently. Step C. We've arrived at a customized capacitor production line, whether it's large volume orders or small, urgent orders. Our production line can switch production rapidly. Whatever the market needs, we can produce it quickly. Look here. This is the process of welding pins to the core. This is a vital step in realizing capacitor functionality, ensuring internal charge can be transferred and exchanged with external circuits stably and efficiently. Look, this is the process of epoxy potting in vacuum environment, a critically important step in capacitor manufacturing, which has a direct impact on the product's long-term reliability, electrical performance, and mechanical strength. Hongfa smart production lines demonstrate full strength in quality, efficiency, and flexibility. All of this ultimately aims to consistently deliver efficient, stable, and reliable high-quality capacitors to you. This episode's sharing comes to a temporary close. Next time, we'll take you deep into the testing technology. Stay tuned.